Welcome back to the DOTween series. This is part 9, and today, we're animating our game's main menu. User interface animations can take your game from basic to polished, and with DOTween, it's super easy to create interactive and satisfying button effects. We're going to animate 3 buttons: play, settings, and exit, each with a different style. Play button. We've added a bouncy scale animation that gently grows and shrinks the button, making it feel interactive and alive. This isn't just a visual gimmick, it's a way to guide the player's eyes and invite them to press play. Next up is the settings button. Here we used a quick rotational loop animation, just a slight twist, rotating 30 degrees and snapping back, giving a sense of movement without being too distracting. It's subtle, it's polished, and it makes your menu look much more dynamic. And finally, the exit button. This one uses a punch scale effect, a quick bounce that feels tactile, as if the button is reacting to your presence. It's the kind of micro-interaction that makes your UI feel handcrafted and fun. All of these animations are triggered the moment the scene starts. But later in the video, I'll also show you how to link these same animations to button clicks, so they don't just animate once, but also give satisfying feedback whenever the player interacts with them. Why is this important? Because UI isn't just decoration, it's communication. A lively main menu says your game is polished. It says your game is worth exploring. It says you care about the experience from the very first second. Now let's break it down. The play button scales up slightly, with a bounce effect, and returns back, a subtle but satisfying effect that grabs the player's eye. The settings button does a quick rotation left and right, using a yo-yo loop to create that playful swing. And the exit button uses punch scale, giving it a juicy squash and stretch feel that mimics a classic UI tap animation. If you want to trigger animations when a user actually clicks the buttons, you can hook them up using Unity's UI event system. With DOTween, you're not only keeping your code clean, you're also saving yourself from writing complex coroutines or custom animation handlers. And the best part, DOTween is incredibly performant, works on all platforms, and can animate almost any property, position, scale, rotation, color, and even UI fading. If you're enjoying this series and want more examples, maybe an animated pause menu, tabbed settings panel, or even transitions between scenes, using DOTween, be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.